Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Evie from Descendants 3. So let's get started. To draw Evie, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm just come to the other side, about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. There, so basic shape in. Now let's come back to where we started on the side right here. We're going to draw a circle close to the edge. So same thing on this side. So from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Same thing over here. Okay, so we have the eyes and let's come to the side and give her some gorgeous long lashes. From the side right here, I'm just going to pop out, let's say just two. Nice and long on both sides. And one more. Then from there, let's come to the top about right here. I'm just going to angle her brow. It's a soft angle. And I'm just going to come in here and thicken that up. And same thing over here. So about right there. Just a soft arc. And thicken it up. And then let's come to the bottom right here in the center and just give her a sweet smile. And cap it off. There. Okay, so then from there, let's start to draw her face, the top of her forehead area. So let's just imagine a oval for her face. So say about right here in the center, I'm gonna give myself a point right there. From this area, I'm gonna bring a curve down because her hair part's right in the center. So let's just sweep a curve down from there. Same thing over here. So then let's come to the top. We're going to give ourselves a center line. And before I finish that, let's come and draw the crown. I'm going to set it right in the center. So I'll use this as my center mark. And about right here, I'm going to draw a heart. So I'm just going to simplify the crown. Come in here with another little heart, the jewel part. And we're going to make it a curve. So I'm going to come to the side right here and draw two more hearts right on the side. And let's add a circle right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add circles to decorate this crown tiara here. So it's going to all taper down to the side. Right here, I'm just going to go ahead and make my circles smaller as I come down. So add a curve right here to connect it. And then my circles. So bigger, it's going to get smaller as I come down. You can add a circle here and there just to beef it up if you like. So there. Okay, so we have the idea with the crown, and then let's finish off her hair. So come up, so we're right there, right above the crown, and we're going to go up on both sides. And let's bring this down. So her hair is pretty straight, not too much poof to it. So we're going to come towards close to the eye area, about right there. Bring this down as well. And let's see here, I can finish this curve if you like. And before we finish the rest of her hair, let's go and draw her body. So I'm going to come to the center right here and give her a little V right here. So we're going to start to draw the collar, and I'm just going to curve. Add another angle line right there. And let's see here, go ahead and connect it to her collar. And then she has these things that come out on her shoulder. So I'm going to come right here at this point, kind of imagining where her armpits would be. I'm just going to start a curve down on both sides. So because kind of where her armpits would be. And let's draw this out and connect it. So same thing on this side. Out and connect. So then from there we have this point. Let's come and draw angle line down. And I'm going to bring it down a tiny bit more. Say about right there, and go ahead and connect it. And then let's draw her skirts. It's going to come right from there and pop out a little bit. And let's bring it down a little bit more. About right there, it's pretty even. And I'm going to draw a bunch of curves because she has these pleats in her skirt. So I'll start with a small one. And then let's see here, one, but I'm still aiming to draw a curve that comes back up. So 2 and 1 more. And I'll draw the details in a little bit later. Now that we have this, let's draw her legs. So come to the center, and we're going to draw 2 angle lines that come out. So hip area. And let's bring this down. So I'm going to bring it all the way down, getting a little bit thinner as I come down. So work on one leg first. So about right there, I'll stop and connect it. So same thing over here. Okay, so then now let's draw her boots. So let's keep coming down right here, flare it out, and connect. And then at the bottom right here, it's a very high platform. Add another layer and connect. And you can come in here some details. And same thing over here. So flare it out. And connect, and add the bottom. There, so I have her boots in. Now let's draw her hands. So I'm going to come right here, imagining her shoulders and her sleeves going to pop out about right here. And go ahead and connect it on both sides, right there, and connect. From there, let's draw her arms. So I'm going to have them just right to her sides, a little bit easier. So it's going to come about right here and kind of angle out a little bit. And she has these gloves that she wears, so I'm just going to come right here and stop. Give it a little cuff on her gloves and angle her hand towards her dress, towards her skirt I mean. And you can add a little indication of a thumb right there. Add some details to her gloves. So same thing over here. So once again, so about right there. Add a cuff to her glove. Bring it in. And once again, flare it out a little bit. And bring it in. And add the thumb. And some details. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish her gorgeous hair. So I'm just going to wave it all the way down. And just tuck it behind. So same thing on this side. There. And you can draw some parting lines here if you like. And let's see here. Now for some details. So let's add a beard line right there. And in the center right here, just draw out the zipper. And then there's a center right here where it zips up. And some details. So I'm going to come right here on both sides. And for the skirt, so let's write right here. So I'm looking for these points right here. I'm going to add a thin point right there, and about right here I'm going to draw a curve that comes across, and then I'm going to find these points and draw my sections there for the skirt. And then for her pants, let's add some details. So just simplify the details. And before I finish it, I'm going to add a little, show you how to draw. There's this logo right here. It's kind of like a heart on the side with a crown. So I'm just going to zigzag a crown if you want to draw all those details. Then from there, let's go ahead and add curves right here. So about right here will be her knee area. So just add more lines. And let's see here, my curve going this way. And another one. So just the main details. So there, I hope you love this new version of Evie from Descendants 3. If you do love Descendants, please make sure to check out my Descendants playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic Cute videos. See you later.